Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make $100 to $200 every day by trading. This is the easiest way that I know to make money on the internet. If you really want to learn how to make $100 to $300 per day, please watch this complete video and follow the strategy I will tell you. So let's get started. We are going to look for a currency or any stock that has sharp movements, upwards and downwards movements, and that's the chart we're looking for. And the strategy I'm going to show you works only on that kind of chart where the chart goes down and then goes up consistently. Silver and gold are the stocks that has most of the time these sharp movements. As you guys can see, there are the chart goes up and goes back, so this is the chart we are looking for, and we are going to trade on this chart, and we are going to trade as close to the white line as possible. It will decrease the risk to lose, and whenever the chart goes down, of course we will trade upwards, and when it goes up we're going to trade downwards. And as you guys can see, the chart is at the top, and of course it is going to go down. And today I'm trading with $10, because last time I was trading with 1000 and everyone was like, we don't have 1000 to trade, or we don't want to trade with 1000. Can you please trade with small amount so there is less risk? We won, and it was a bit close one, but we are pretty sure, because the chart goes up and down, most of the time you are going to win. Even if you lose, next time double the amount of trade and you will get your money back. But make sure you have at least 5 times the money in your account that you are trading with. If you have 10, you should have at least 50. This was not a good trade, but I don't want to waste your time, so that's why I placed the bet. But you should make sure that whenever it is down, then trade. If it's in the middle, then you can skip, and the next time you can trade. Looks like we are going to win, but it's going up now. So it's a draw. We got our $10 back. The reason I make $1,000 or $500 trade is because I look for the best point whenever the chart is down, and we know 99% is going to go up. Then I will place $500 trade or 1000, so it's less risk. If you're trading with $10 every time, most of the time is not going to be really predictable, so there is more chance to lose. So make sure you trade when it is predictable, and at least 95% of the time you're going to win with these kind of charts. It's still in the middle. It's not the perfect time to trade, but I think it's going to go up. I would recommend you to wait for the chart to go up, but I don't want to waste your time. That's why I'm placing the trades even if it's in the middle. And I've been trading since 2013, so I have some experience, but I would recommend you to start with demo account, and then when you have the confidence, then you can do with the real money. So yes, we won again, but as you guys can tell, it will take a long time if you trade with $10 to make it 3 to 500 or 1000 every day. So make sure it's a good point whenever the chart is down. I place a lot of bets because I'm trying to tell you when it's going down, and you have the time, then trade with as much as you can afford. At least don't trade more than, more than 20% of your bank of your balance, but it is better to trade when it's predictable. And we won all of them. And it is going pretty down, so of course it is going to go up. So it's like 100% sure that it is going to go up. So that's when you trade with big money. A lot of people think that if you trade with like $5 or $10 it is safe, but if you find this kind of situation, then you should trade for as much as you can to be able to reduce the risk and make the most profit. It was at the lowest point, so of course it was going to go up. Now it's up, so it is supposed to go down again. I would recommend you to go with like one trade at a time in the start, and when you have the confidence and you know the strategy, and you have some experience, then you can trade as much as you can. But first you should play safe and learn. Okay, I think we lost one trade, but still it was profitable. So just make sure when the chart is at the peak, then you trade downwards, and when it's the bottom, trade upwards. This position is not the best position, but if you have some experience, you will realize that what is going to be the direction. As you guys can see, silver is just paying 71%, but the other currencies are paying 89. But I would recommend you to go with these sharp movements, even if it's paying like 65%, because it is profitable. If you trade on the 90%, there is more chance of you losing, because the chart moves without these movements, so it's not predictable. This one is really predictable, and it's at the peak, so of course it is going to go down. And as you guys can see, we won all of the trades, and that's how you make money on these charts. It's so easy, but of course you need some experience, some training, you need to learn. So that's why I would recommend you to go with the demo account. You will get $10,000, which is, demo money, but you can trade on the real market, so you can get the experience. And when you have the experience and the confidence, then you can go with real money. It is pretty sure that it is going to go up, because it is the lowest point on the chart, so of course it is going to go up to 12, because that's how this chart works. And go on again. Just make sure whenever, even if you lose, just double the amount of the trade, and make sure you trade on the peak and on the lowest points, and you will win 99% of the time, if not 95. And that's how you make money from the internet through binary options. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.